Hello, in case you don't know yet, my name is G. Thanks for joining the Astrophotography workshop. So I'm making this video so that we can learn more effectively and more efficiently on the night of the workshop. Astrophotography is a genre that we do in the dark, often very cold as well. For that reason, I'm making this video so that we can get ready for the situations that we're shooting in. Couple of things, starting from ourselves. What we wear, the clothing needs to be warm and comfortable, gloves, beanies if you're a beanie person, and comfortable shoes. We might be stepping on uneven surfaces, sometimes it's a bit slippery, so make sure you wear something that is suitable for the conditions. Hiking boots or something waterproof is a bonus. What I would avoid is the scarf. We don't want anything too dangly, and you're gonna fiddle with that a lot of times, especially in the dark when you're handling your equipment. Now, what do we need to bring? Obviously, a camera, a tripod, and don't forget the tripod plate. People leave that sometimes at home. I know, yeah, it happens. And bring a head torch. Highly recommended to have a head torch that has red lights. Make sure your battery is fully charged and bring spare batteries if you have. Bring extra memory card in case you might need it. And if you have a remote shutter or cable release, bring that with you too. Now, with your camera, there's a couple of things that you need to know how to set beforehand. Basic, simple things, but very important. The aperture, the shutter speed, and the ISO. You need to know how to dial those in your camera. Make sure you shoot in RAW format and not JPEG. Astrophotography requires a little bit more editing after the shot's taken. If you shoot in JPEG, you are very limited with the editing that you can do. And on your phone, download this app called Photo Pills. This is not a free app, so you gotta pay for it, but trust me, it's worth it. There's so much information in that. We're gonna play around and refer back to the apps as well in the night, every now and then. And lastly, put your learning cap on, bring a positive attitude, bit of a smile, and I will see you in the workshop.